To start off with a little overview about Hayam Ganat, we're going to begin with the same year that Jacob Conan published his work on lesson management. Hayam Ganat came out with his book, Teacher and Child. This was a book that described the relationship between the teacher and a child and the big impact that it has within the classroom. He also highlighted the critical role of communication and discipline, which we're going to talk about a lot, and how effective communication and the way that teachers interact with their students makes a very big impact on their relationships. Ganat was also a classroom teacher in his early career, and then after many years of education at higher education places, he wrote his own column, Between Us, and that was about interpersonal communication. He also believed that learning always took place in the present tense, and he promoted respectful, empathetic communication with students. Also, one thing that he stressed was to address situations, never the student's character or personality, more so telling a student, this is what you have done wrong, how can we fix it, and let's not do it that way the next time. Instead of telling the student, for example, why are you being so loud? If a student was being loud, you could tell the student, when we do independent reading time, we are not supposed to be talking. Something like that. Additionally, he addressed to not boss students around, invite cooperation by explaining the situation, and then addressing what needs to be done. So not really telling a student, I need you to do this for me now, or I need you to put this away. You would explain why, and then prompt the student to do that. And then lastly, to use I messages rather than you messages, which I attached a picture of this in the corner down here, basically saying, I like when you put your books away, instead of you need to put your books away, something like that.